Hello everyone, welcome back to Nature's Amazing Wonders. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Fernando, part of Norel's team, and I'm thrilled to be back with you today. We have something incredibly exciting lined up that you won't want to miss. We recently conducted a poll among our amazing community to discover the top 20 travel bucket list destinations. Places that are not only breathtaking, but also considered a bit unrealistic in their beauty. Yesterday we explored Machu Picchu in Peru, and today we are moving on to the third surreal destinations for your travel bucket list. Imagine standing on the edge of the world, gazing out at stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and experiences that fill your heart with wonder. That's what our upcoming series is all about. We've gathered your votes, your dreams, and compiled them into a countdown of the most picturesque places that deserve a spot on everyone's travel bucket list. From the dazzling beaches where turquoise waters meet soft white sands, to the majestic mountains of secret hideaways, this series will take you on a journey across continents, celebrating the incredible diversity of our beautiful planet. Each location has something unique to offer, whether it's jaw-dropping scenery, rich history, or vibrant wildlife. We'll share inspiring stories, interesting facts, and travel tips that will spark your wanderlust. And of course, we want to hear from you. We'll be including some of your favorite travel experiences, anecdotes, and recommendations as well. After all, this journey is not just mine, it's ours. So whether you're an adventure seeker looking for your next thrill, a culture enthusiast wanting to explore rich histories, or simply someone dreaming of that perfect getaway, our Top 20 Bucket List Wonders series is going to be full of inspiration for your upcoming travels. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of these captivating episodes. We can't wait to take you on this incredible adventure, exploring the stunning and often unrealistic beauty our world has to offer. So get ready for some serious travel inspiration. Our next amazing must-see is the Aurora Borealis, or commonly known as the Northern Lights. If you have never experienced this amazing disco party of lights, trust me, you are missing out.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of pure wonder? That feeling when the world seems to pause and all you can do is stare upward, mesmerized by the vastness above. For many, this moment of awe is magnified 100-fold when the sky itself comes alive with color and movement. Imagine a sky alive with color, swirling above you, not a movie, but a real phenomenon. The darkness is suddenly painted with ribbons of green, pink, and violet, twisting and undulating as if the heavens themselves are performing a dance just for you. It's the Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights, Mother Nature's silent symphony, painting the polar night with greens, pinks, and purples. Each display is unique, a fleeting masterpiece that can last minutes or hours, never quite the same twice. For centuries, people in the far north have watched these curtains of light ripple across the heavens, shifting with a grace that feels almost alive. Ancient cultures wove legends around the lights, believing them to be spirits, omens, or messages from the gods. It's like a cosmic river overhead, a celestial dragon weaving through the stars. The aurora can take on so many forms, sometimes a gentle glow, other times a wild, flickering storm of color that seems to pulse with energy. The experience is humbling, making you feel small yet deeply connected to the natural world. Standing beneath the aurora, you realize how vast and mysterious our universe truly is, and how lucky we are to witness such beauty. Today we're heading into the Arctic Circle to uncover the science, the best places to see the aurora, and the adventures that await those who chase it. From remote wilderness lodges to icy tundra, the journey north is as much a part of the magic as the lights themselves. This isn't just about seeing something beautiful, it's about feeling it with all your senses. The cold air on your skin, the crunch of snow underfoot, the silence broken only by your own breath as you watch the sky ignite. So, pack your warmest gear and your sense of adventure. We're heading north, into the wild, to chase the breathtaking northern lights. Let's begin our journey and discover together why this celestial ballet has captivated hearts and imaginations for generations. What causes this incredible light show that dances across the polar skies, captivating all who witness it? The answer begins nearly 150 million kilometers away with our sun. The sun is not just a source of light and warmth, it's a dynamic, ever-changing star that constantly sends out a stream of charged particles, known as the solar wind, into the vastness of space. Earth's magnetosphere, an invisible magnetic shield, protects us from most of these high-energy particles. But at the planet's magnetic poles, this shield is weaker, and some of the solar wind particles manage to sneak through, funneled down along the magnetic field lines toward the upper atmosphere. That's why the aurora appears near the poles, forming a glowing ring around each one called the auroral oval. This oval can expand and contract depending on solar activity, sometimes stretching far enough south for people in lower latitudes to catch a glimpse. When these energetic solar particles collide with gases in our atmosphere, mainly oxygen and nitrogen, they transfer their energy to the atoms and molecules, exciting them to higher energy states. As these atoms and molecules return to their normal, stable state, they release that extra energy in the form of light. This process creates the shimmering, flickering curtains of color we know as the aurora. The color of the aurora depends on which gas is involved and at what altitude the collision occurs. Green is the most common color, produced by oxygen molecules about 100 kilometers above the ground. Red auroras are much rarer, created by oxygen at even higher altitudes, above 200 kilometers, where the air is thinner and the collisions are less frequent. Nitrogen can produce blue or purplish-red auroras, adding to the palette of colors that paint the night sky. Sometimes you'll even see pinks and violets, especially during intense solar storms. Every swirl, ripple, and curtain of light is a cosmic dance between the sun and Earth, a breathtaking display of physics and chemistry unfolding above our heads. The patterns shift and change, sometimes moving slowly, sometimes bursting into rapid, dramatic motion. The aurora is nature's neon sign, switched on by the universe itself, a glowing reminder of the powerful forces at work in our solar system. It's a reminder that our planet is part of a much larger dynamic system, constantly interacting with the sun and the cosmos beyond. Next, let's discover where on Earth you can witness this spectacle at its best. The chase for the northern lights is on, and the adventure is just beginning. Iceland is legendary for aurora viewing, offering dramatic backdrops of volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, and black sand beaches. From September to April, Iceland sits under the auroral oval, making sightings likely, especially away from Reykjavik's city lights. Imagine standing on a frozen beach, volcanic rocks around you, as the sky glows green and then bursts into vibrant ribbons of light. Chase the aurora in a super jeep, or soak in a geothermal hot spring like the Blue Lagoon while the lights dance overhead. Each landscape, glacier lagoon, waterfall, or volcanic plain, offers a unique perspective on the celestial show. The key is patience and flexibility. Iceland's weather is unpredictable, so check forecasts and be ready to move. Local guides are experts at finding clear skies, ensuring you get the best possible view. Seeing the northern lights over Iceland's wild beauty is an adventure you'll never forget. Northern Scandinavia is another aurora hotspot. In Norway, Tromsø is a vibrant city above the Arctic Circle, with a long aurora season and easy access to dark skies. Leave the city for guided tours through fjords and snowy mountains, or glide on a Sami reindeer sled under glowing skies. The Gulf Stream gives Tromsø a milder climate and more stable weather, crucial for clear aurora nights. In Swedish Lapland, Abisko National Park is legendary for its blue hole, a patch of clear sky created by surrounding mountains. Take a chairlift to the Aurora Sky Station for panoramic views of the lights over frozen lakes and forests. Here, the aurora experience is deeply connected to the wild Arctic environment. Days are spent dog sledding, snowmobiling, or learning about Sami culture. Nights are for watching the sky. The anticipation, the silence, and the first burst of color make the wait unforgettable. Scandinavia's pristine wilderness is the perfect stage for the aurora's magic. Canada's Yellowknife under the auroral oval boasts clear nights and intense aurora displays, often filling the entire sky with vibrant, fast-moving light. Stay in cozy lodges or heated teepees on frozen lakes, sipping hot chocolate as you wait for the show. The aurora here feels close and dynamic, a wild spectacle you'll never forget. In Finnish Lapland, combine your aurora hunt with a stay in a glass igloo. Watch the lights from your warm bed, no need to step outside. Finland offers snowshoeing, ice fishing, and traditional saunas, all set in serene, snow-covered forests. Whether you're in a glass igloo or a Canadian teepee, these northern frontiers offer a profound connection to nature. The landscapes are peaceful, the experience is unique, and the aurora unforgettable. Here, every night is a chance for magic. The wild north delivers the aurora at its most spectacular. Long before science explained the aurora, ancient cultures spun their own stories about the lights. Vikings saw them as the reflection of Valkyrie's armor, guiding fallen warriors to Valhalla. In Finland, the aurora was foxfires, sparks from a magical Arctic fox's tail sweeping the snow. Many believe the lights were a bridge for souls to the afterlife or the dance of ancestors' spirits. Some Inuit saw them as animal spirits. Others warned children not to whistle at the lights lest spirits come down. These legends reveal the aurora's deep spiritual and cultural significance. When you stand under the lights today, you're part of a timeless tradition of wonder and storytelling. The aurora connects us to our ancestors and the mysteries of the sky. Chasing the northern lights is just one part of the Arctic adventure. Days are filled with dog sledding, snowmobiling, and even staying in ice hotels, rooms sculpted entirely from snow and ice. Meet the indigenous Sami people, join reindeer sledding excursions, and hear stories around a warm fire in a traditional tent. Wildlife lovers can spot reindeer, moose, Arctic foxes, and even whales in icy fjords. These activities deepen your connection to the land and its history. After a day of adventure, the anticipation for the aurora grows. When the lights appear, it's not just a sight, it's the culmination of a true Arctic experience. You're not just a tourist, you're an adventurer immersed in the wild. The Arctic offers wonder at every turn, day and night. Capturing the aurora is challenging, but with the right approach, you'll bring home stunning images. Use a camera with manual settings and a wide-angle lens. A sturdy tripod is essential for long exposures. Set your aperture wide, 2, 8, or f4. Shutter speed between 10-20 seconds and ISO around 1600. Adjust as needed. Focus manually on a distant light or star for sharpness. Include interesting foreground elements, trees, cabins, mountains, or people, to add scale and context. Keep extra batteries warm. The cold drains them fast. Use a remote shutter or timer to avoid camera shake. Experiment with settings, but don't forget to put the camera down and enjoy the show with your own eyes. The best photos tell a story. Let the landscape and the lights work together. The real magic is in the moment. The Aurora Borealis is more than just a display of lights in the sky. It's a powerful, almost magical connection between the sun and the earth, a bridge between science and myth, adventure and awe, and a phenomenon that has inspired wonder for centuries. Chasing the aurora means venturing into the world's wildest, most breathtaking places, where civilization feels far away, and nature reigns supreme. It demands patience, resilience, and a true spirit of exploration, sometimes waiting for hours in the cold, scanning the horizon for that first shimmer of green or purple. But the reward is a memory that stays with you forever. A moment so vivid and surreal, it feels like a dream you never want to end. It's a reminder of nature's immense power and breathtaking beauty, a spectacle that humbles and uplifts all at once. Seeing the lights is about seeking wonder, about chasing that feeling of awe that makes you feel alive and connected to the universe. It's about stepping boldly into the Arctic night, leaving behind the familiar and embracing the unknown. You stand there, feeling small beneath a vast living sky that seems to pulse and breathe with color and energy. Whether you're dog sledding through the snowy forests of Canada, sleeping in a glass igloo in the heart of Finnish Lapland, or standing on a windswept Icelandic beach with the aurora swirling overhead, the experience enriches the soul, leaving you changed in ways you can't quite explain. The aurora teaches us about science, history, and even about ourselves, reminding us of our place in the cosmos and the mysteries that still await discovery. It puts life in cosmic perspective. So answer the call, plan your journey, pack your warmest clothes, and set your sights northward. Stand in the crisp, silent air and watch as the sky comes alive with color and movement, painting memories you'll cherish forever. The Northern Lights are one of Earth's last wild spectacles, a living, breathing masterpiece that reminds us how extraordinary our planet truly is. It's a gift waiting to be discovered, an invitation to witness the magic of the universe firsthand. Our planet is truly amazing, so go and let the wild sky fill you with wonder.